I'm doing what I do. Glock on my hip, bitches know that I'm that dude. We hit the bailers hella deep, armados too. I see them watching me, I always watch my moves. These fools informants, so I'm watching who is who. Slap a 30 on the Glock, keeping trucha for them fools. Keeping trucha for them fools. A couple pretty bitches wanna chill with me, and so do I. Take them to a telly out in Vegas, spend a couple nights, smoke a couple blunts, I'll get them naked, fuck a couple times, spend a couple dollars on the host to get a better life. Drug money, gun money, swear it's all the same. Got me asking myself if I really need a brand new chain. Smoking weed to ease my pain, calling bitches for some brain. I'ma take a trip to Europe, bring a couple hoes from Spain. I ain't tripping off the hate, I'ma go and do my thing. If these fools don't even want it, then there's nothing else to say. I'ma keep on getting money, sending holla out of state. I could put that shit on my life, even I know that I changed. I wrote this verse while I was loading up my 40. I said Bucanas, I ain't sipping no more 40s. You can go and ask Mike Millie, we got straps for all the homies. If these vatos want a war, my AR fitted like the armies. We hit the bailers hella deep, armados too. Glock on my hip, even when I'm dancing too. I ain't tripping off these vatos, I'm just doing what I do. And I know these hyenas love me, cause they say that I'm that dude. She said I'm cocky, yes I am, but she know that I'm the man. Got a AK on my shoulders like they do in Pakistan. Paquetes de cristal, ya llegó de Michoacán. Me mandaron 6 mochilas y me puse a trabajar. Estos vatos no me entienden, tú no viste lo que vi. Antes se burlaban de uno, pero ya me ven Catrín. Traigo un cuerno y mi corta, traigo una mecha bien corta. Hablan mal de uno, pero les caí en la boca. En la 40 bien fajada, en alerta periqueao. Les tiraron 2 balazos y quedaron asustados. Mira compa, no te metas, que mi gente está bien loca. Yo no hablo mucho, balanceamos al quien topa. Hit the bailers hella deep, armados too. Glock on my hip, even when I'm dancing too. I ain't tripping off these vatos, I'm just doing what I do. And I know these hyenas love me, cause they say that I'm that dude. Alright, boy, that bitch ain't got no